Before we begin, I want to thank Jeff Sample and Rob McKinney for their webinar last week on productivity because it sparked some really good conversations that led to some great ideas on how to brighten up this dark cloud that's going to hit all of us. An idea to consider is figuring out how much damage you're going to suffer in each of these recovery types so you can plan better. And a good place to start is reading Susie Taharian's article on the recovery types and the 3 questions you should ask yourself to figure out which one of these applies to you. So great article, Susie. Thank you. And I hope you don't mind, I stole your graphic. We suggest creating COVID cost codes and COVID subsections for tight areas where COVID restrictions would apply. Say that 3 times fast. Let's take a look at some workflows that would impact so you can see the value in doing this. The structure that you set up will automatically flow right through all Plexxis products and reporting. So if I'm on the Foreman app here, which I'll just drag over and go to my job, I will be able to track production by the COVID cost codes. This data will automatically populate the cost projection tool. And if I want to do a purchase order requisition, I simply go in and create a new purchase order, and the COVID subsections will automatically appear in the floor dropdowns. Now, of course, the T&M tickets and extra work order authorizations are impacted in the exact same way. So when I come in here to create a new ticket, you will notice that the COVID-related subsections are available in the floor dropdown box as well. So it'll impact right through to the reporting. This is also a great time to use the presets on the contract screen. So the T&M tickets and the EWA tickets are automatically priced out when they come into the system and COVID impacts are captured. Okay, one more juicy little nugget before we leave here. Let's get out of the T&M tickets and into the no-code custom form builder. Mostly everybody's going to have their Foreman daily reports already built up, but you can go in and edit it real easy to capture COVID impacts. So you go into the manage forms, pick the form that you want to edit, and you'll have everything that you already have automatically coming into the form set up. But if you want to add something else, easy peasy. Just simply grab, drag over, and edit as needed so you're capturing the right information. Now, none of us have a crystal ball. We don't know if we're going to hit a V, a U, or an L-shaped recovery, but we can start measuring the impact now so we can manage it better later. Thank you.
We are Plexxis!